Let's make a precious Jenga block family to add to this little house I got at Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have these little Jenga blocks I got at Dollar Tree. I pick out one for each of my family members. And I can kind of stacking them to figure out about how big I want each of them to be. And then I just mark on them how much I need to cut off. This is a perfect opportunity to show you the present I got. My husband got me this. It's a little saw. Look at it. It's so cute. And that's what I used to cut my little Jenga box. Rest assured, the saw was off when I took all of the pieces out. There they all are. I cut them all down. Now, I was using wood glue. I don't think you need to use wood glue to do this. Just glue little beads on the top to make little heads. Look at how cute they are. And then I arranged them how I wanted them. And then I'm just gluing them together and stop it. Stop. Now, as you know, I have a big family. I have 6 children and my husband. So there's 8 of us. So yeah, there are a lot. But if you have a smaller family, this works. It works no matter how many people you have in your family. It's fine. It's fine. But remember, if you have many Jenga blocks, you want to make sure that you put the glue on the smaller Jenga block just so that you don't have excess glue hanging over, if that makes any sense. Look at how fun. These would look really good on, now technically they're called towering blocks at Dollar Tree. They're not Jenga blocks and they're small. This would look awesome also with actual Jenga blocks, which are much bigger. But for our purposes today, because I just loved that little barn wood shelf sitter that I got at Dollar Tree, so I was there for it. All right, so now that all of my little peoples are all glued together, I'm going to take some jute, and all I'm doing is wrapping it around 3 times. And I'm kind of not putting it fully together, if that makes any sense. I think it looks really pretty like that. I cut off the excess, and then I just glued it on the back. And then I just made sure to, press it down with my protected finger. But look at how cute. And then I kind of splayed, whatever. I kind of spread them out. Words are hard, friends. So I spread them out, and then I put a little dollop of glue in the center, and then I took this cute little heart I got from Dollar Tree and a package. They're all wood, and I set that in the center of my jute, and stop it. Look at how cute this is. I love it so much. Now, just a technicality, if you wanted to do a pet, I had some excess of my Jenga blocks, and I kind of tried to make a pet. I did not put it on mine because that wasn't the plan. But if you wanted to, you could. All right, so then I put on the back of my Jenga blocks, I put some glue. Make sure to get some on the back of the beads as well as on the jute, just because those are a little bit raised and you want to make sure that it actually makes contact. But look at how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Oh, I love it so much. And it was an easy project. I didn't have to paint anything. I love it. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.